Hey guys, it's Tom from HID Projectors. Today's question of the day comes from Chris, and Chris and I are working on his retrofit for a 2015 to 2017 Mustang. So he had a question around the option we have on the website for upgrading his amber turn signals to something different. So if you guys are aware, I brought the amber turn signal out of Chris's Mustang. This is the piece that we're talking about, and you can do a couple of things with this. Most folks are going for like a blacked out look. Will actually want to swap this out for like a tinted version or a clear version depending on your paint scheme. Some people like the way this looks and you'll leave it exactly like it is. Nothing wrong with that. It's one of the options that we offer. So what we're going to do is send this out to another company and have him a custom set of tinted turn signals. So what's going to happen is they're going to replicate this exact mold in what is essentially a clear resin with a tint in it. So it'll be a smoked dark tint turn signal, and it'll really tie in nicely with the build. We'll probably have this ready in a week or so, oh, maybe a little bit longer, because those are going to get custom made, and we'll show some photos of it. But if you guys are looking for something like that, it's applicable to just about any other vehicle as long as we can get the parts made. So we don't create that stuff ourselves, but we can either spray tint it, which we shy away from because the results are just okay. A true replacement set of reflectors runs about $100 for the pair, and it makes a big difference. So I hope that helps. If you guys are looking for more custom tips and tricks, you know where to find us. Shoot us a note and ask your question, and we'll try to address it. Thanks for watching.